Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to earn money without having to constantly trade time for money, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make passive income using AI tools. Tools that work for you 24/7 without needing much of your time or effort once you set them up. Sounds great, right? Let's get into it. Before we dive into the tools, let's quickly define passive income. Passive income is money you earn with minimal effort after the initial setup. It's money that keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working. Think about it like this. Imagine owning a vending machine. You stock it once, maybe twice a week, and then people come and buy from it 24/7, even while you sleep. That's passive income. Now, traditional examples of passive income include things like rental income, dividend stocks, or royalties. You buy a property, rent it out, and boom, you've got a steady stream of cash coming in every month. Or you invest in dividend-paying stocks and get those sweet, sweet quarterly payouts. But today, we're not talking about brick and mortar or the stock market. We're talking about the future of passive income, AI tools. These tools are revolutionizing the way we earn money online, making it easier than ever to generate passive income streams. We're talking about AI that can write blog posts, create social media content, manage your investments, and even sell products for you, all while you're off enjoying your life. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging the power of technology to create a more secure and abundant financial future for yourself. And that's what we're going to explore today. One of the most popular ways to make passive income with AI is through content creation. Think about it. Every day, millions of blog posts, articles, and social media captions are uploaded online. Creating all that content takes time and effort, but what if you could automate it? That's where AI content creation tools come in. These tools use sophisticated algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging content in minutes. You can use them to write blog posts, articles, website copy, social media captions, and even video scripts like this one. Now I know what you might be thinking, but won't AI content sound robotic and impersonal? And that's a valid concern. But the truth is, AI content creation tools have come a long way. These tools are designed to mimic human writing, and they're constantly learning and improving. Plus, you can always edit and personalize the generated content to match your unique voice and style. Imagine being able to pump out high-quality content for your blog or social media channels without lifting a finger. That's the power of AI content creation. Some popular AI content creation tools include Jasper, Copy.ai, and Writer. These tools offer a wide range of templates and features to help you create different types of content. You can even specify keywords, tone of voice, and target audience to ensure your content is perfectly tailored to your needs. And the best part? You can set up these tools to generate content on autopilot, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other income-generating activities. Next up, social media. We all know how powerful social media can be for building an audience and generating income, whether it's through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling your own products. But managing multiple social media accounts can feel like a full-time job. That's where AI comes in to save the day. AI-powered social media management tools can help you automate your social media presence, from scheduling posts and analyzing performance to even engaging with your followers. One of the best things about these tools is their ability to schedule posts in advance. You can sit down once a week, plan out your content calendar, and let the AI handle the rest. This ensures a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for keeping your audience engaged and growing your following. But it's not just about scheduling. These tools also provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. They can tell you the best time to post, what type of content performs well, and even who your most engaged followers are. This data allows you to refine your social media strategy and get the most out of your efforts. And if you're really serious about maximizing your social media impact, some AI tools even offer features like hashtag research and competitor analysis. They can help you identify trending topics, find relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience, and even spy on your competitors to see what's working for them. Some popular AI-powered social media management platforms include Buffer, Hootsuite, and SocialBee. These platforms offer a range of plans to fit different budgets and needs. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about using AI for investing. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach investing, and it can be used to generate passive income through stocks, crypto, and real estate. Gone are the days of spending hours poring over spreadsheets and financial reports. AI-powered investing platforms can analyze massive data sets in real time, identifying trends and making investment recommendations based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Imagine having a personal financial advisor available 24/7, constantly monitoring the markets and adjusting your portfolio to maximize your returns. That's the power of AI investing. These platforms use complex algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and predict future price movements with a high degree of accuracy. They can even factor in news sentiment and social media trends to get a complete picture of market sentiment. But AI investing isn't just for seasoned investors. Many platforms are designed with beginners in mind, offering simple, user-friendly interfaces and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Some popular AI investing platforms include Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns. These platforms offer a range of investment options, from low-cost index funds to actively managed portfolios. It's important to remember that all investments come with risk, and AI investing is no different. However, by leveraging the power of AI, you can potentially minimize your risk and maximize your returns over the long term. Chapter 5. Next up, let's talk about creating and selling digital products with AI. One of the most profitable ways to make passive income is by creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, and design templates. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort. But creating high-quality digital products takes time, effort, and often a specific skill set. That's where AI comes in to simplify the process. AI tools can help you create professional-looking digital products, even if you have zero design or technical skills. For instance, AI-powered writing tools can help you structure your ebook, generate compelling content, and even proofread and edit your work. Some tools can even convert your blog posts or articles into different formats like ebooks or white papers with just a few clicks. And if you're not a writer, don't worry. There are AI tools that can help you create other types of digital products. Imagine generating stunning graphics and visuals for your online course using AI-powered design tools, or building a professional-looking website without writing a single line of code. Once you've created your digital product, selling it online is easier than ever thanks to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify. These platforms allow you to set up an online store and start selling your products in minutes. And the best part? You can automate the entire process. From delivering the product to processing payments and providing customer support, AI can handle it all, allowing you to focus on creating more amazing products and generating more passive income. Chapter 6. Another great way to make passive income with AI is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation. The customer gets a great product, the company makes a sale, and you earn a commission, all without having to create your own product or handle customer service. AI can take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level. From identifying profitable niches and products to generating high-converting content and even automating your email marketing, AI can help you earn more commissions with less effort. One of the most valuable ways AI can help is by analyzing your audience's behavior and preferences. By understanding what your audience is interested in, you can recommend products they're more likely to buy, increasing your chances of earning a commission. AI can also help you find and promote the right products. Some AI tools can scan the internet for high-converting affiliate programs and products that are a good fit for your audience. And once you've found the right products to promote, AI can help you create compelling content that drives sales. AI-powered content creation tools can generate product reviews, comparison articles, and even social media posts that are optimized for conversions. There are even AI tools that can personalize your email marketing campaigns, sending the right message to the right person at the right time, further increasing your chances of making a sale. Popular affiliate marketing networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products to promote, and many AI tools integrate seamlessly with these networks. So there you have it. From content creation and social media management to investing and affiliate marketing, AI tools are revolutionizing the way we make passive income online. The key is to find the right tools that work for you and set them up to run in the background. Once you've got the system going, you can sit back and watch your income grow with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort, even with AI. Don't expect to get rich quick. But by leveraging the power of AI and putting in the initial work, you can create a more secure and abundant financial future for yourself. Until next time, keep working smarter, not harder. Take care.